Anyone for EDM? We are from CDC.
Come on.
Pass on the beat. Welcome to CDC.
They vied with each other at company auditions across the land. They filmed their performances and competed online, each striving to move forward. They came from north and south, driven by their talent. From heavy industry to software startups, they brought their passion to the forefront. Fiercely competing for the top spots, they put their hearts and souls into their performance. Be it as individuals or as groups, pouring their deepest emotions into music or dramatically delivering a vital social message. That in media will go well beyond the stage. Their performances were on a greater scale. Before even more eminent judges, they performed regardless of age, gender or abilities, knowing that what counted was belief in themselves. And we salute their talent and commitment as they arrive at the final stage. For the audience awaits, the lights are blazing. It's showtime! Presenting the world's largest corporate talent championship, CTC, brought to you by Engage for More.
Hello everyone, this is Subhash Ghai and I'm happy to announce the collaboration between Whistling Woods International and CTC, the Corporate Talent Championship 2015. We at Whistling Woods International believe in do what you love. And this partnership with CTC 2015 is all about encouraging talent and reliving their passion. I'm very excited to judge the CTC 2015 Grand Finale and can't wait to see the corporate professionals on the stage showcasing their talent with gusto and passion. It's really going to be great.
The auditions across 30 cities saw 15,000 contestants compete with each other. Leading to the city finales across Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore. Where we saw excitement,
Hey, hello, this is DSP. Everybody put your hands up, groove to the beat.
where we saw emotions.
My name is Yashika. I'm from housing.com, Mumbai. Doing something like this in a corporate really adds a lot of value, motivates employees because this is one of the greatest engagement activities that one can have in a company.
Hello, lovely people. My name is Hina Srivastav and I represent housing.com. I used to be a classical dancer. I was learning since a very young age as a child. And then for the last 2 decades almost, I completely gave it up. So when I was approached with this whole concept of CTC, the very first auditions that happened was impromptu, and for some really great reason, I made it through the first cut. But I guess when you start working with the kind of work that we do in our corporate life these days, we really don't have a bandwidth to move on and experiment and look after hobbies. And I think CTC is a brilliant platform. Phenomenal platform, ties you back. For someone like me who can come back after 20 years and still pick it up on stage in front of unknown people, believe me, it's a brilliant platform. CTC brought me on the first and the second rung. Awesome guy's job, absolutely awesome. So thank you very much once again. It was beautiful participating.
We just went to back up to college life. We just went daily routine. Yeah, we know we have to practice at 4 or 5. We will be daily coming to office and we just do practice for 2 hours. Then we go to our decks and we just do our work and then finish our day. And then again next day we are coming and again doing same routine.
There is life apart from just office,
Where we saw passion. And we found our 16 finalists, who indeed turned their world upside down. Let's see them battle it out at the Grand India Finale.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen of the corporate world. On behalf of Team Engage for More, I welcome you to the 4th season of Corporate Talent Championship CTC 2015, the event you all corporates wait for the entire year. And ladies and gentlemen, now let's invite our honorable judges, the trio, who is here to be impressed. First, I'd like to invite a legendary musician and a singer who's best known for his work in Colonial Cousins, and he has been the creative and the music director of MTV Coke Studio. Ladies and gentlemen, Leslie Lewis is back at the India Grand Finale. Let's hear it for him. Request Aarti to kindly come on the stage, and Deepak, welcome on the stage. Let's give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And now let me call upon the man with fabulous dancing feet. He is a dancer, a theatre artist, philosopher, a yoga instructor, and leading choreographer in movies like Dhoom, Jab We Met, Rockstar. Let's give a big round of applause for Ashley Lobo. Ashley Lobo, how are you doing? Good to see you. And do we have just 2 judges? I'd request you to kindly take your seat. Thank you, Leslie. Thank you very much. And it's right there. Ladies and gentlemen, 2 judges done. And now I'm going to be calling upon the Kingmaker, the showman, one of Bollywood's most iconic and successful filmmakers. He offered a string of blockbuster movies like Kali Charan, Curse, Vidhata, Hero, Karma, Ramlakhan, Saudagar, Khalnayak, Pardes, Tal, and many more. The grandeur and rich style of filmmaking seen in every film has earned him the title of the showman of Bollywood. We have with us none other than founder, chairman of Whistlingwood International, Asia's largest media arts institution on stage, Mr. Subhash Ghai.
सारा शहर मुझे लॉयन के नाम से जानता है।
जली को आग कहते हैं, बुझी को राख कहते हैं। जिस राख से बारूद बने उसे विश्वनाथ कहते हैं।
नायक नहीं खलनायक, नायक मैं।
अब क्या चाहते हो तुम? मुझसे मेरी माँ को भी दूर कर देना चाहते हो?
हम तुम्हें मारेंगे और जरूर मारेंगे, लेकिन वो बंदूक भी हमारी होगी, गोली भी हमारी होगी और वक्त भी हमारा होगा।
Very extraordinary filmmaker, a master, for a crusader for spreading the education of cinema. The one and only Subhash Ghai.
Subhash Ghai has a very unique position in popular cinema. Subhash makes films specifically as entertainment vehicles.
He was always there in the highs and the lows of my own moods, of the picture.
The only thing he knows probably is to make films. He knows his job.
Mukhtar's is like a family. I've grown up with Mukhtar's. It's one of the units where I really like to go and work.
Subhash Ghai's main strength is the fact that he's everything rolled into one. He's a fantastic scriptwriter. He's a brilliant director. He's a marvelous editor.
Whatever I have learned from Mr. Ghai is going to be with me for the rest of my life. To say it, blatantly in a few words is, Mr. Ghai is just amazing.
Their achievement is much more than any of the companies in India.
I think the directors that I have worked with, now working with Subhash ji, feel that they've learned a lot from Subhash ji. पहले म्यूजिक के ऊपर कौन कॉन्सेंट्रेट करता था? No one used to concentrate on music.
उनका जो कमिटमेंट है, उनकी जो नॉलेज है, that is truly inspiring. He's a perfectionist.
He is excellent with sound picturizations. The drama in the films, the comedy and everything is in just proper balance,
I think it's every heroine's dream whenever a girl wants to join the film industry. They always have a dream that they want to work with one particular filmmaker, and I think that's Mr. Subhash Ghai.
I think Mukhtar's is extremely professional. I think the way they handle their productions, whether it's a Subhash Ghai film or whatever film they're producing, is with a lot of efficiency for sure.
डायरेक्टर बनना है तो सुभाष जी जैसा डायरेक्टर बने, अगर म्यूज़िक करना है तो सुभाष जी की फिल्मों की तरह म्यूज़िक किया जाए.
I always have a soft corner for his musical sense because he gets a kind of quality from a composer which even the composer doesn't know. Some of the stuff which I thought was not great, he will pick that stuff, and then once the lyric comes in and his vision comes in, become a great song.
Whoa.
You could feel the drama, you could feel the talent, you could feel everything.
Sounding great.
Thanks a lot, sir.
High notes में बहुत अच्छा गा रहे हो.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready because CDC 2015, powered by TVS WeGo in association with ITC Ashirwad Multigrain Atta, about to begin. The stage is set. The camera is on a roll. But before that, let's see what the rules are. Ladies and gentlemen, the scoring pattern is like this. We have 4 main categories of performances. That's music, singing, dance, that's solo, and dance, that's group. There are 4 finalists in each category, 1 each from every city. That's Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore. The 4th winner is through online voting. Yes, by CTC Online called CTC Cyber, that's Cyber CTC. After every performance, our judges will comment on their act and announce the scores on 10, except one. One of the judges will have to keep the score a secret. So, let's see how good are our judges in keeping secrets. Ladies and gentlemen, the winners will be announced after the final score calculation, including the secret score. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get started with the Corporate Talent Championship 2015, powered by TBS Wigo in association with ITC Ashirwad Multigrain Atta. And coming up, the first is the Aghori dance. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause and welcome Promenade.
Hi, and we are from my group. Our group name is Promenade, and we are from IGET Noida. And we just perform on the theme that is known as Aghori. We just try to show how they live, what is their lifestyle and all.
प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड जिस कवि की कल्पना में जिंदगी हो प्रेम गीत उस कवि को आज तुम नकार दो भीगती मसों में आज फूलती रगों में आज आग की लपट का तुम बघार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड आरंभ है प्रचंड आरंभ है प्रचंड
I would say super choreographed. There is a story, the costume, the movement, fantastic. You could feel the drama, you could feel the talent, you could feel everything. I would congratulate each dancer, the choreographer and designer. God bless you.
Leslie, sir?
Amazing. What a super concept. and choreography was great. और रॉ भी था, एक रॉनेस भी है, लेकिन उसमें एक सिंक्रोनिसिटी भी है. तो really nice, fantastic.
What I liked was कि आपने कुछ different किया. You don't get a chance to see this kind of stuff, you know, going at something so totally different. Very, very nice. आप में से किसने choreograph किया या किसी और ने choreograph किया? You all sub together. Very good. Very, very nice. Synchronicity, इधर-उधर in places, but just different and nice. Nice too, refreshing. Thank you.
Now let's get the score. And Subhashji, 9 points. Very well done. And Ashley, 8. Fantastic. Leslie, let's give it a secret, all right? Guys, you're brilliant. All right, thank you very much.
We just perform in front of judges like Ashley sir, Subhash Ghai, and it's a great honor, and Sara Hotel.
And especially the moment our act ended. First word out of Subhash sir's mouth was fantastic, and that was such a lovely moment. We win it, we don't, it doesn't matter. What we wanted to do, we did it over there.
Sounding great.
Thanks a lot, sir.
High notes में बहुत अच्छा गा रहे हो.
Let's move on. It was the love of his life that brought the singer out in our next contestant, and it's that he started focusing on music as he found someone to sing for. He's been to several reality shows and was also a part of CTC Season 2. Please welcome Mohammad Azharuddin from Snapdeal, Jasper, New Delhi, who is all geared up for the finale. Ladies and gentlemen, he wants to bring the trophy to Snapdeal by singing a soulful song, Arziyan Sari. Oh my God, I love this song from Delhi 6. Let's give a big round of applause and welcome Mohammad Azharuddin.
Competition is very tough because जो भी बंदे यहाँ पे आए हैं top 4 from across India, तो वो सारे everyone is awesome, everyone is fantastic. मतलब जो भी बंदे गा रहे हैं वो सभी अच्छे बंदे हैं. देखते हैं next who will be the winner.
चेहरे पे लिख के लाया हूँ, तुमसे क्या मांगूं मैं, तुम खुद ही समझ लो. ओ मौला 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 मेरे मौला, या मौला 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 मेरे मौला, मौला 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 मेरे मौला, मौला 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 मौला, मौला 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 मौला. दरारे दरारे है माथे पे मौला, मरम्मत मुकद्दर की कर दो मौला मेरे मौला. तेरे दर पे झुका हूँ, मिटा हूँ, बना हूँ. तेरे दर पे झुका हूँ, मिटा हूँ, बना हूँ. मरम्मत मुकद्दर की कर दो मौला मेरे मौला. जो भी तेरे दर आया, झुकने जो सर आया, मस्तियाँ पिए सबको झूमता नजर आया. जो भी तेरे दर आया, झुकने जो सर आया, मस्तियाँ पिए सबको झूमता नजर आया. प्यास लेके आया था दरिया वो भर लाया, नूर की बात टूट के बिखरना मुझको जरूर आता है, टूट के बिखरना मुझको जरूर आता है, वरना इबादत वाला शऊर आता है। सजदे में रहने दो अब कहीं ना जाऊंगा, सजदे में रहने दो अब कहीं ना जाऊंगा, अब जो तुमने ठुकराया तो सवर न पाऊंगा। मौला 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 मेरे मौला, मौला 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 मेरे मौला, दरारे दरारे है वादे में मौला, मरम्मत मुकद्दर की कर दो मौला मेरे मौला, मेरे मौला 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 मेरे मौला, मौला 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 मेरे मौला।
Let's get the judges to see what they think about you. सुभाष जी,
अच्छा गाया तुमने, जैसा गाने की ज़रूरत थी वैसा गाया, लेकिन जो उसकी जो रूहानियत इस गाने में है, अर्जिया में, जब वो मौला बोलता है तो हमारी आंखें भी बंद हो जानी चाहिए। एक अलग दुनिया में, एक सोलफुल दुनिया में हमें ले जाता है गाना। वो कहीं कहीं मिस होता था, ऐसा लगता था कि आप गा तो रहे हैं लेकिन फीलिंग वो कहीं कहीं मिस लगी। थैंक यू, आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक्स अ लॉट।
Thank you, Subhashi. Thank you very much. Let's give a round of applause. Leslie Lewis.
अजरुद्दीन,
जी सर।
साउंडिंग ग्रेट।
थैंक्स अ लॉट सर।
हाई नोट्स में बहुत अच्छा गा रहे हो, जब लो गाते हो तो उसमें पकड़ नहीं रहती है, उस पर ध्यान दे के कोशिश करेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली बहुत अच्छा गाओगे।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक्स अ लॉट।
बेस्ट ऑफ लक।
Ashley.
मोहम्मद, मुझे कुछ हुआ। I felt something when
Thank
you
you so
sang.
much.
I felt something. Music, जो भी आर्ट है, बहुत पर्सनल चीज़ है। Maybe something the way you sang, maybe it connected to me in certain ways. So I would give more weightage to what Subhash ji say and what Leslie says, because they are the authorities on this. But for me, I think maybe it touched me in some way.
Thank you, sir.
And
Thanks a lot.
for that, thank you.
All right. Ashley, your score secretly. सुभाष जी, आप कितने points देना चाहेंगे आप? 7 points.
Thank you, sir.
Very well
Thanks a
done.
lot.
Fantastic. Leslie Lewis. 8 points. Fantastic.
Thanks a lot.
Let's give a big round of applause. Muhammad Azharuddin.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. It was an actually it was a great thing. I performed on the stage and it was shocking. It was thrilling. Subhash Ghai was there. He is a legend. तो उन्होंने मुझे स्कोर दिए, उन्होंने मुझे चीज़ें बताई कि क्या क्या कमी है और क्या इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो। वो मेरे लिए बहुत इट मीन्स अ लॉट फॉर मी। एंड एशली लोबो वॉज देयर, लेस्ली लुइस वॉज देयर। ऑडियंस का जो रिस्पांस था दैट वाज आल्सो नाइस। इस स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करके मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर CTC, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर एंगेज फॉर मोर।
Coming up next is our contestant for the solo dance category. He is a trained professional dancer and teaches, well, yes, he teaches dance at corporate companies like Amazon. Suraj considers Remo D'Souza as his idol, and unsurprisingly, his strength lies in liquid popping and urban dance. So, ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause from Sunderland Global, Suraj Prasad.
Hello guys, this is Suraj Srivastav. I'm here because of my company Sutherland. I got a mail that CTC have a competition, so I was very happy.
जज साहब, इस मुजरिम के बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है?
ये बड़ा खूबसूरत मुजरिम है।
सर, आपने जो बोला है इसको डाइजेस्ट नहीं हुआ, इसने जोर से ऐसे किया, बोला पहली बार।
No, very nice. Very nice, Suraj. You have really done fantastic, I would say. There was a grace, there was a story, there was a connection, there was emotion. सब चीज़ें थी। टेक्निकली इधर से उधर थोड़ा होता है, सबके साथ होता है। जो आपको पकड़ेंगे हमारे दोस्त एशले साहब पकड़ेंगे, लेकिन ऑन द होल आई लव्ड इट एंड कीप इट अप। गॉड ब्लेस यू।
थैंक यू सर। लेस्ली साहब।
सूरज, आप काम करते हो या सिर्फ डांस करते हो?
एक्चुअली मैं डांस भी अभी सिखाता हूँ। मेरे 3 इंस्टीट्यूट्स है हैदराबाद में।
तो आप काम नहीं करते?
काम भी करता हूँ, डांस भी सिखाता हूँ।
कहाँ करते हो काम?
हैदराबाद में सदरलैंड कंपनी।
अच्छा, रियली?
या।
तो आपको टाइम मिलता है?
या, जैसे ही मेरा मॉर्निंग 5 o'clock लॉग आउट होगा
जी,
तो डायरेक्टली मैं क्लास को जाऊँगा, डांस सिखाऊंगा।
तो इट्स अमेजिंग, कितने पैशन से आप डांस भी कर रहे हैं, काम भी कर रहे हैं। आई थिंक दैट ये CTC की जो प्लेटफॉर्म है ना, आई थिंक दैट इज रियली फॉर पीपल लाइक यू, एंड अ बिग हैंड टू यू।
सूरज, आपका एक्ट में फुल थिएट्रिकल कोरियोग्राफी था। इट वाज वेरी वेरी थिएट्रिकल। आपका यूसेज ऑफ प्रॉप्स बहुत ही क्लेवर था। एंड व्हाट इज मोस्ट इम्प्रेसिव कि यू हैव अ फुल टाइम जॉब एंड you manage to make the time. My mother once told me, you never have time, you make it. It's amazing how you thought of every single thing, of how to use the props and how to use the caps. I would be interested in seeing ki isi gana, how would you do it with no prop?
Done.
Will you do 30 seconds?
30 seconds?
No problem.
Suraj, that was amazing. Suraj, the first time you did an act, right now you danced. That was amazing. I felt you. That's very good. Amazing.
My God. Very well done. Okay, now time for the scores. Subhashji.
Superb. I would say
9 points. Fantastic. Ashley. Dang, dang, dang. Leslie, this time, secret, huh? Sorry, aapka dil. All right, let's give a big round of applause. Come on, everybody. Very well done.
Hats off to that guy who invented this CTC. I want to do one step for you all.
It's time for the crown act of the evening, a visual treat by the Dance Works Academy, founded by Dance Maestro and one of our esteemed judges for the evening, Ashley Lobo. Dance Work, India's leading dance academy, training aspiring dancers to understand the art of language of dance. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, their philosophy is to help people find and build their dance in an environment of fun, love, and values. So much like Corporate Talent Championship, right? So get set for the stunning act by Dance Work. I'm promising you, you're going to love it.
जा पहला सादा लैला मर जानी पौंदी पकड़ा अंग्रेजी वीड
Hands are moving on the keyboard itna fast ki it surprises me.
Costumes, dance, synchronization, very nice. Keep it up.
Love me thoda